What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? About to take a ride because I'm starving, so me and the wife gonna take a ride to White Castle. So have fun watching us on our trip. Alright, YouTube, the first stop is gonna be Panera. Look at the camera and say hi. Wave to the people. So now I'm able to go out because of the flood hit New York City pretty hard, so there wasn't too much riding around I could do. So been cooped up in the house for like 2-3 days because most of my neighborhood was flooded. This part that I'm going through right now was completely underwater, 10 feet. Completely submerged. It's a nice day today. It's like 70 degrees. So this is it's a really nice riding weather. You see I'm riding with just my protective vest and my protective gloves. Like I said, safety first. Never go out without my equipment. That's important. How you doing back there? Good? Okay. My wife has been on the bike a few times. I think this might be the first time I filmed her. So she was like, I'll take a ride with you. So I was like, all right, cool. It's a great day for riding. So I know before I did some ride out videos and I was having problems putting keeping the GoPro mount steady. It kept moving from the wind, so I wound up buying the official suction cup windshield mount or suction mount, and it's holding up great. So what I'll probably do is I'll drop in some nice music so you guys can enjoy the riding. Truthfully, it feels like I haven't been on a bike for months, and it's only been about a week since I rode it, but it feels good. Feels good. I have no problems whatsoever. Bus driver just let me get in front of him. So I'm not sure if you guys know yet, but Can Am released on their website a bunch of influencers and not outliers from the Can Am collective. They just released a whole bunch of people that they feel influenced the Can Am brand, and I just happened to get a feature on it. So if you guys get a chance, the link will be below, and y'all could click on it and check out my feature. Appreciate it. I'm gonna try to keep this video down and edit it. Keep the edit short. I know you guys like short videos. You want to see me riding for 20 or 30 minutes. I usually have the 360 camera, rocking that RLS Carbon series exhaust, so you know it's loud as F. Drink from Panera. You alright? And this is where I'll probably pause the video, so not to disturb you guys with a whole lot of dead time. No, I don't need a mask. What do I need a mask for?
I didn't hear you.
What do I need a mask?
I don't have one.
How are we gonna go get the food?
I guess I could go in there with this on my head.
Oh yeah, yeah. All right, part 2, everybody. Let's head out to White Castle. What? Nah, really? I had to get into the lane because that car was too close to me. Everybody's enjoying the weather. Like I said before, it's a nice day. Woo! Cut everybody off. Taking a nice ride so I could set up live. Time to do some more giveaways. You got your face mask down? All these underpasses were flooded 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Y'all see the dirt bikers go by? That's the big problem in NYC. Them dirt bikes. It's crazy. Big problem out here. Nothing they could do. Absolutely nothing. A lot of people are out today. It's nice out. But What is it?
Cannabis.
What?
Recreational cannabis.
Oh, they putting that?
Viral health.
Oh.
Order online and pick up at stores.
That's a cannabis store?
Yes.
Oh, shit. That's new. It's legal.
Yeah, they said recreational.
There's gonna be a line out that door. There's gonna be a line out the door for recreational. Come on. We here. We right here. What's the matter? You can't get off? Go ahead. What's the matter? You don't want to talk? You don't want to be in my... So we here, y'all. Just got to White Castle. Gonna pick up them treats for the family. This is my video for Can Am Ryker goes to